What is going on, guys? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. As you can see, some of my solar stuff has showed up so far. We have two 500-foot rolls of panel wires, more or less, 8-gauge direct burial. Super excited to run this stuff. This stuff is, man, it's crazy. It's going to be real fun running this. I have to run two lengths about 250 feet each over to where the solar panels are going to be on the gazebo, but I'm waiting for the solar panels to arrive before I can actually go through and build that. So if you guys didn't see my last video that I made about the solar stuff, go check it out. I'll leave a link above. But I did get some batteries. You guys can see there's one open here, and I have two more right here in the box. These things are over 100 pounds a piece. Absolutely insane, but totally worth the money, at least in my opinion. I did get these during the Memorial Day sale. Now, looking over here, this is my rack that I have for all my networking stuff, and I just got my mini box miners. That most of this stuff's off. I do have to get my jazz miners over here and just kind of loaded back up on the bottom. That's where they used to be. I have a X16Q and X4, 1U, and an X4Q, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, X4Q is right there. So those ones got to go back. This is the 1, that's the 4, and the 16's in the house. But anyways, today in this video, I need to prep for my actual inverter to show up. The 6000 XP, it's going to be going right here on the wall, and all those server rack batteries are going to be going right here in a nice case. So I want to take this guy, and I need to move it over here to where the phones are, just because I want a clean setup when I walk in here, and all this side is going to be the mining stuff, and this side over here with all these batteries are going to be running my exhaust fans only. So that's going to be literally just for exhausting, because I don't want to really make this like useless, you know what I mean? I might as well use it for utilizing something that's going to be useful, like exhaust fans. So let me do that now. We're going to be shutting everything down for the next couple days, at least a week or so, until I get the next solar set up. I'm not going to be able to mine in here, but I mean, I guess I could if I just plugged it into the wall on the other side. But I'm going to be moving these outlets over here, probably. I think maybe on this side. Maybe I'll put it on this side. Yeah, I'll put it on this side because I want these 3 fans to be running and operational now, and these ones do have the cords all wired. These 2 fans over here, or 3 fans rather, 2 of them don't have wires wired up yet. They're both right here in the bag. This one does have a wire though, so yeah, I might have to get a little bit longer of a cable to get over there if I put those 3 outlets right here, but I think right here is probably a better place just because it's easier to get in front of it. So I'm going to be disconnecting that from this unit. Got to get those over there. Got to get this again where the phones are. I think height-wise it should fit perfectly. Realistically, these wires might be kind of behind the batteries, but I don't really care about that. I might just have to kind of undo this and loop this down behind the battery bank, because yeah, I think that's really the only challenge I'm going to have there. But nonetheless, let's kill this entire setup. As you can see, everything shuts down when I do that. And I'm going to be killing the power out on that guy. And then, yeah, that's really it. Oh, I got to disconnect the panels also. Oh, you know what? I got to kill the breaker outside. Yeah, got to make sure I don't get soaked by my sprinklers. Damn it, that one got me. I didn't even see it. Shit, got right in the legs. Anyways, all right, yeah, I got to come over here. So I got a combiner box right here. And you guys can see I've been moving a bunch of dirt from out back. So I'm trying to put a pool in, but nonetheless, let's all right, let's do this. Kill this so none of the power is going through, because I don't feel like getting shocked if I have to disconnect that panel wire going into the actual inverter. I don't think I'm gonna have to do that though, so we should be all right on that end. But either way, let's get back over here, and yeah, I'm just gonna get that thing off the wall, and you guys should see it once it's all done. But figure you come for the walk with me. Oh, by the way, actually, this dirt, I ended up burying this wire when I moved all this dirt over here. Obviously, I got to rake it out a little bit, get all these rocks out of it, but I did bury this wire that was exposed for the last like year and a half, 2 years. So hopefully it should be good. And I mean, obviously you guys know the other wire is direct burial. I think that stuff is too, but I'm not 100% on that, so hopefully everything's good. But either way, this is only gonna be running the exhaust fans. All right, let me get this thing moved right there, and you guys will see it in just a second. And an hour later, we are complete. Got it fitting perfectly right here. You guys can see I reran the wire over this way, down there. I did not have to disconnect the batteries, which are cool, but the panel wires I did have to take out, and I had to like yank them up to give me a little bit more room. And if you can see, they were buried. I had to yeah, I had to unbury it just to that point. So anyways, I got to put some more dirt over here regardless, so I'll be burying those once again. But this worked out perfectly. I ended up moving the on-grid power in case I need that, obviously, from here to there, just so it looks good. So now I have this entire wall basically and all of this just in case the inverter doesn't exactly fit right there. I think it will, but I guess we'll have to see. Then over here, what I ended up doing was putting a power strip right here running over to the 3 boxes right here. So we're gonna go turn the power on, make sure nothing explodes, hopefully. Let's go turn the panel voltage on first out here at the solar combiner box, and then we'll go from there, I guess, right? That's really all we can do. And yeah, like I said, hopefully we don't get any pops or shocks or anything like that, because that would be really unfortunate. Okay, that's on. Close this up. All right, back in here. Now I guess what we're gonna do is just turn this on and hope for the best. Should come on, I think. Yeah. All right. Love that annoying beeping noise. 26.6 volts in the batteries. Turn on the output to these switches over here, or these outlets over here rather. Let's see if they come on. They should come on. Hopefully there shouldn't be any issues. Come on, I heard it. I heard it kick in. Oh, I just heard it now. Oh, there we go. Okay. Hey. That's weird. Did I mess something up? Shit. Now I gotta take that apart. Damn it, I gotta take that apart. Alright, let's just see if this fan works. Why doesn't that fan work? Oh. No. No. Oh, timer. Whoo. Manual. Ah. Fan works. Alright. Well, that gave me a little shit in my pants. But this one, what the hell's going on? Now I gotta... Damn it. Alright, let's shut this back off, because now I gotta figure out what the hell's going on here. Alright, give me a second. Let me rip this apart. Well, that'll do it. The drock meter wire right there came out. So now I gotta figure out how to get that back in. I just shoved it back in. Moment of truth. Let's see. Please work, so I don't have to rip that apart again, because that's a pain in the ass, to be honest. I just kind of stuffed the wire back into the screw port so I didn't have to disassemble the entire thing. Yes! Alright. Woo! Crisis averted. Alright. All the power works on the out. This looks all nice and neat. I actually think I'm just going to keep that wire rack. I really don't think I need to mess with it at all. And then I got some like parts for, or room for storage basically. I could just throw some shit there if I need to or whatever. But that actually works out well. So now I have a whole bunch of room here. I do need to get a little piece of Luan like this, just like it's like 1/8 inch or 1/4 inch underlayment basically, and just kind of rip a strip and throw it there just so it looks good. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'm all set for the entire brand new solar setup. Now I gotta figure out what to do with all these cell phones. I think I'm just gonna sell those or something. I don't know. I got them for like 35 bucks a piece. If anybody's interested in them, please let me know. That's really all I'm looking to get out of them. I really I just don't care about the cell phone mining thing. It's really not that profitable. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this whole setup. That running the wire should be fun. I'm gonna do that in a whole separate video because I gotta dig all the way across my yard and it's gonna be a freaking nightmare. But that is going to do it for this video. I really just wanted to get this all situated and prepped up for me to be able to install the new solar setup. So I'm gonna get these KS0s on. I think I'm gonna get, actually, you know what, I'm just gonna shut it off. It's already late. I'd just rather have the whole system charge itself up, which is pretty much 100% at this point. So I'm gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna let it charge up. I'm gonna shut this stuff off for the night. I'll figure this stuff out in the morning. You guys have a great, fantastic night, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.